For over a decade, Hilker Repair has been a leading provider in the testing and repair of inverters and power electronics. Our company has established itself as a reliable partner for photovoltaic system operators, manufacturers, and insurers across Europe. Based in Rodden, with a storage and logistics space of 4,000 square meters, we deliver comprehensive solutions executed by highly skilled experts utilizing state-of-the-art technology. We specialize in testing and repairing string and central inverters, data loggers, and battery management systems down to the component level. This includes replacing defective components, entire circuit boards, or assemblies, working in close collaboration with a wide range of leading manufacturers. Our partner company, Hilker Repair GmbH, provides independent reports on damage causes, evaluates warranty claims, and supports insurers with detailed analyses. Our online shop and replacement pool of certified pre-owned devices enable quick solutions for equipment failures. From providing packaging materials to handling shipping and the return of repaired devices, we manage all logistical processes. Additionally, we offer on-site services in collaboration with our partners in the Inverter Service Group. Thanks to fully digitized processes, we guarantee short turnaround times and precise documentation. Our testing technology includes test benches with 600 kilowatt DC generators, a switching matrix connected to a 320 kVp photovoltaic system on our rooftop for realistic testing, custom AC generators for flexible test scenarios, simulating various grid parameters. All repairs undergo final testing on our test bench and are backed by a warranty of up to 24 months. Hilker Repair is part of a robust group covering all core areas of renewable energy. Prüffabrik, specialized in independent inverter testing and damage analysis since 2018. Hilker Solar GmbH, a regional leader in the planning, installation, and maintenance of PV systems and storage solutions since 2004. Hilker Electric, experts in electrical installations, control cabinet construction, and PLC controls for over 20 years. ChargeCats, active since 2020 in the planning and implementation of charging infrastructure and large-scale PV projects. With nearly 200 employers and extensive expertise, our corporate group is equipped to meet the diverse challenges of the energy transition. Our repairs save up to 80% compared to a new purchase and extend the lifespan of devices by nearly 100%. Short processing times thanks to automated workflows and an efficiently organized spare parts inventory. Refurbishment and repair conserve resources and promote the circular economy. Manufacturer-independent repairs of all major brands and adaptations to component shortages ensure the continued operation of your systems. Our goal is to offer innovative solutions that ensure sustainable energy supply and enhance the long-term profitability of photovoltaic systems for operators. Your contact: Marco Tesing, Head of Sales.